Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio website using Antigravity, Google Antigravity. This is really simple. Let me show you. At first you have to actually go to the browser and type Google Antigravity, and you will find here you can see antigravity.google. So go with the link, and here you will find option called download. Here you can see. So click here download, and here you will find three options for three different operating system. One is Mac, another one is Windows, another one is Linux. So I'm going to go with the Windows. So click here in the download for x64. Then it will actually start downloading. I already downloaded it in my PC and I have already installed it in my PC. Here you can see. I'm assuming that you can actually install it in your PC. This is really simple. Just double click on it. Okay. And then go for the steps. All right. Now, this is the interface. Here you can see. And here in the right side, you will find agent. And here you can see currently I am inside a portfolio project. And that is the reason actually it's showing like this. So if I remove it, what you have to do, you just have to actually open a folder. Okay. And then add a folder as a project directory. Okay. So you can see this is the folder. And I'm going to add it here. In the right side, here you can see, one moment. The agent is currently loading. So here in the right side, you will find agent. Here you can see, and this is my project name, right? Portfolio. So here you just have to write anything. Now from here you can actually select any model. So I'll just go with Gemini 3 Pro. So select this, and here let's say I want to ask for a portfolio site. So I'm going to say here that create a portfolio site using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and then here's a JS. Hit enter, and then it will actually generate it. Here you can see. Now here you can see this is the implementation plan, and then here you can see all the steps, proposed changes. So there will be index.html file, then style.css, then script.js. So I'll actually say that okay, go pick it. Now it will actually complete all the steps because I am happy with all these steps. Okay, now we just have to wait for this, and it will actually create all the files. Here you can see first one is index, then style.css, then script.js. In the right side, you can actually check what is happening. Here you can see I'm now writing the full content for the core files within project setup. My focus has shifted to completing these files, index.html, then all the files. Okay. So we have to wait for some times to complete the project. Now, if I open this, if I click here in the portfolio, here you can see we got style, then JS, and then index. And we got style, CSS folder, and here we have style.css, and we got JS folder, and here we have script.js. Now, if you click here in the index, here you can see this is our project. Now I click here accept changes. It means I have accepted. Now we can actually check that if it is working or not. So we can actually go for the extension, and then from here we can actually go for a server called live server. And here you can see this is the live server, and we can actually install it. Okay, here we go. Now go back to the file explorer, remove this extension. We don't need this because it will be installed within short time. And after the installation, and here in the right bottom corner, you will find the option. Here you can see we got it, go live. Okay, so click here, go live. To go live, here you can see this is our portfolio site, and we can actually go for every section. Here you can see. All right. So here you can see it's worked perfectly. So this is how actually you can create portfolio website and any other website through Google Antigravity. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.